So for this video, I want to work on his death when he falls and falls into some spikes. So right now, if I go and hit play in this room, if I walk and fall, then it does nothing. So I'm going to set it up so that this animation here plays. So first, with the character selected, I'll go into the animator and I'll drag and drop this animation. First, I need to select the animation and make sure that loop time is applied. The boolean is going to be is dead, and it's going to go from blend tree to death. Make sure has exit time is off, and is dead is set to true. So what I need to do is I need to create a game object called Death Collider. I'll set it to 0, 0, 0. I'm going to add a box collider. It's going to be a trigger. And I'm just going to basically resize it. I don't know if you can really see, but here it is with the collider, and I'm just going to place it to where the spikes are. And as you can see, I place it so that it's a little bit, I didn't put it at the very top of the spikes because I don't want it to, this animation to play at the very top. I want it to be like, I guess, like pierced a bit, and then as you can see, it covers the entire thing. So I'm going to go into the scripts. I'm going to create a script called mono behavior script, and I'm going to call it spikes. Okay, with that opened up, before I do anything, I'm going to go back here, and with my death collider selected, I'm going to drag and drop the spikes before I forget. And in the script, I'm going to copy and paste another piece of script. I'm going to copy and paste this and put it down here. If on trigger enter, because this is it's a trigger, and the other game object is player. In the end basic script, I'm going to do public void is dead. Compile that. I'm going to create a reference to the player script in basic, and I'm also going to do when he enters, when the player collides with this death, then I suppose I should also do public game object player. Then it's going to, if the player collides with this collider, then in the script it's going to trigger the isDead function that I just created. So going to compile that. And this is telling me that, okay, I think I know what the problem is here. I need to get rid of this bracket and add a bracket down here. Okay, so when this is triggered, when he collides, this is triggered, then animator, I'm trying to get, it's a boolean is dead, so set bool is dead. It's going to be true, but I also want gravity to equal 0 and vertical vector dot y to equal 0. I'm not sure if I have to set this, but just to be on the safe side. So that way when he's like stuck on the spike, he's like frozen in space. He's not like falling in. Can control is equal false, so the player can't like add movement. So I'm going to compile that. Okay, so with it compiled, as you can see, it has a field for the player, so I'm going to drag and drop the player into the field, and I'm going to hit play to try this out. So if I fall, there we go, and I can't move him around, he's not sinking. And so it would be great if you could like sit directly on top of one of these spikes, but that's kind of, I don't know how to do that, but I guess this is okay. That's all I want to do for this video. I just want to do the death fall. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and please stay tuned for more videos.